How to convert degrees to radians and vice versa. 1 degree is always equals to pi by 180 radians. So if अगर आपको 60 degrees को convert करना है radians में, so आप you can write 60 degrees 60 times 1 degree. Put the value of 1 degree here, 60 times pi by 180 radians, as it is written above that 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. So after simplifying it, this 60 and 180, you will get pi by 3 radians. Now radians to degrees. We know that 1 radian is always equals to 180 degrees over pi. So if you have to convert 3 pi by 2 radians into degrees, you know that 3 pi by 2 times radians. Put the radians formula, which is 180 degrees over pi. After simplifying it, you can cut out pi and simplify 3 with 180, or 2 1 times 290 times 180, and 3 times 90 is going to be 270 degrees. So 1 radian 3 pi by 2 radian is equals to 270 degrees.